Sorry about that. I'm only lounging in bed. Well, Sierra had I got the new key for the car, and
oh yeah, you have 3 now.
Well, 2. We got 2, and because we had it programmed, and Sierra and I ran to Costco. She had the keys in her backpack. She was packing them for me. And I don't know, she must have stepped on it or something this morning.
Yeah.
But the alarm was going off, right, in the car. And I'm like, where's the keys? And I'm like, searching through my backpack, couldn't find the keys. And finally I asked Sierra, if she has the keys. And she brought it to me. And I went up and opened the door. And there's a neighbor. I don't know who it was. One of our neighbors, I'd never seen him before, was standing there like in his slippers looking mad. He's like, I've got a child sleeping, He was like mad at me.
Oh, no.
I was like, sorry, man, I had to find the keys. Made me feel bad.
Oh, well, I hope it didn't make you feel too bad.
It wasn't an accident because I've been keeping them like hanging right by the door, so I have them. But
so if you don't screw them.
Yeah.
Those things happen.
That's how my morning went.
Oh.
But
there's some grouchy old people. Sometimes they're just grouchy.
I mean, he looked like a normal guy, but
yeah.
He came racing over to tell me the car was going off like I didn't hear.
Yeah.
Like I didn't hear it.
Mm-hmm. I'm sure you were scrambling from the very first
moment.
Yeah.
And Chris was out back smoking, and he's like, "Yeah, I thought it was a neighbor's car."
Oh.
He just stood there thinking, "Wow, somebody's car is going off." Laughing.
I wish I'd shut that up. Oh,
and then, I got him on here still. Last night when we went to Costco, it looked like there was a fire burning over there by the mountain. Let's see if I got him on here. And when we stepped out of Costco, it was like pouring like crazy.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh, it rained, yeah, a little bit.
It was like a flash flood over there. The water got real deep in the parking lot. It was awesome.
Yeah, did you guys spill or scoot around and
yeah, well, we had to stop to figure out like the defrost because it got foggy. It was crazy. I made a video of it.
Was it hail?
Yeah, it's mostly rain. Yeah, I got pictures of the hail and stuff.
Yeah, we got a little bit of it in Four Corners.
Oh, it was sweet. Okay, here's this.
Hey, I'm going to the Black Hills tomorrow. Hey, well, that'd make a good roadie.
Oh, I can't go.
Like for like a weekend.
Yeah, I can't do it, but it sounds awesome. Look at the sky last night. Like I don't know if you can see the color. No, I had other script. I got the idea of this one's easier so we off the coffee. The largest not to do it you away.
My roots. Hello, it's
all the way down the girl on the people. I don't know what else. Easier and there. As it looks like it's not my that brother one in her breath as it looks like it's no we outside. My house or without everything, I'm the fish as a human kind of is it. See, he's got the back on here, skills on. Even I'm feeling it feels slashed. I'm the surface and killer in that so if you need serving gas or being or up with not under that urban is in the arrow is what if I went in option see because I should you and Gary say I know see enough I'm using stress film as each deserve film my hair in the air fine I look around leave the send the material my system is showing right he wrote from the path to sky carbon as each the dice looks like an around racing in my growth but I was you win it I wish slowly not
Finder station.
later the fish things like the hairstyle but